been doing events for quite a few years, right?
Yes, that's right.
And how do you find managing events without the automation or without technology adoption for the on the
for all the big
management?
events that I've done before? Yeah. Usually, what we do is we use the usual system where we use papers and then we write down all the names and then we wait for the long queue where all the delegates will wait in the long queue. And based on that, compared to that, when we have your system, when we use your system, it was easier for us.
Okay.
So besides that, we're also doing cloud computing Malaysia, which it has to be an IT. So what happens is less line, not much of queues, and also all the delegates and all my staffs were much easier for them to control and yeah, that's about it. So
do you have to employ a lot more people?
no, actually no. It was good. We only employed very less people. We don't need that much of manpower. When we're doing that, and it was easier to control as well. And we never had any glitches.
Oh.
So that was a good thing. We never had any glitches, no problems at all, or maybe name mistaken or double names, repeated names. We never had all that issues at all. So it went very smooth.
It means that the database for people who attended your events are very well kept.
Yes.
And very updated
That's
and
right.
curated as well.
Yes, for sure. So we never had any problems at all, And when we were doing any certificates or something like that, we never had any problems as well, because all we had to use is use your system, use the same name because there's no error at all, and we just use that, to come up with the certificates and all that. So it made our time, lesser, and we did not, spend more time on that.
All right, great. Let's say in future, what else that you want to have on Evenesis? What kind of features that you think that it might help you more in delivering a very good event for your client?
Well, as for now, we have used Evenesis for 2 years, and it depends with the 300. We had 300 delegates, and then we keep growing and growing and growing. So it depends. Like for example, for the next following, maybe we wanted to have events with dinner, like an annual dinner or something, or the event dinner or something like that. So then probably we can use an additional services of Evenesis, probably the reservations, RSVP for the tables and all that, where we can incorporate with the conference plus the dinner as well.
Oh, that's good news.
Yeah.
We already have that features
Great.
in Evenesis.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know. So let us know when you have that dinner. We might want to crash in.
Definitely. We are growing.
So what's your next big gig coming up for 2013?
Well, next year we are thinking of one in April, and the other one probably in October.
So do you plan to use Evenesis again?
For sure. Definitely. Without a doubt.
Thank you
All
for letting us to have this interview, and we truly appreciate for your support
Thank you
of
very
our
much.
event.
Thank you.